All right, let's talk about how you can find the highest value in a set of data within Excel. So here in our example, we just have some sales data for 2025 and 2026 throughout each month. And we want to find the highest sales amount for each particular year in 2025 and 2026. And so I'm going to show you two basic ways that you can do this. The first step is to create a filter by highlighting the headers, going to the home ribbon, and then selecting filter to add a filter here. And then for each particular year, say for 2025, we want to find the highest sales value, we can hit this drop down and sort largest to smallest. That'll put the highest sales volume at the top. But you'll notice that that will also filter this data, but it won't necessarily show us the highest value for 2026 because those are different months. So if we want to see for 2026, we can just do the same thing and select largest value, and then we will see that December in 2026 had the highest sales amount of 97,000. Now, there's also a formula that you can use to determine the highest value in a data set or data range. Now, you can do this by selecting equals in a cell and typing max, and then selecting the range where you want to know the highest value or highest number. And then you can hit enter, and that will show us 86,000. Now for 2026, we know that that should be this 97,000, so we can simply click in this bottom square, drag that across, and that will show 97,000. Now in this case, you'll notice that there's a little green triangle in the top left corner of these cells. To remove, this is just basically saying that this formula is omitting adjacent cells because it's viewing these two as numbers and we're not including those. So we can highlight this, hit that little triangle, and hit ignore error, and that will go away. Now you can do the same thing with the max formula by selecting all of this data to figure out what the highest sales amount across both years is. If I select that data range and hit enter, we'll notice that it's $97,000. And there you have it. Those are kind of the two simple ways that you can use to find the highest value in a data set in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.